I don't think it's doable. It's all good to say, okay, I get up there, but will you trust that, if that goes? Oh my God. This is the fullest of water as I ever seen this place. It's a bit of a crawl, as we're going to see in a bit, and it opens up into pipe workings that date back, from what I read, to the Middle Ages, which would be something like the 1500s, so go in all directions, and there's some natural cavities as well. Let's go and get on with this.
Yeah, let's explore.
Looking back is phenomenal. It's very nice, you can see the water running as well. And ahead of us, there's a kibble, and there's an actual shaft that was used as haulage for quite a lot of the spar here. I believe it or not, it was hauled to the surface. So let's take a look at it. To the main working area for the fluorspar mine. I know. Let me see. Let me shine it through. Put the light down a bit. Yeah, that's it. So yeah. So there we have the clarity of some of these crystals is absolutely incredible. Yeah, thank you. And right here we have this large riveted kibble. It's quite large, isn't it? It's a good 4 foot, 5.5 foot.
Yeah, 4.
I think this was used for haulage, most probably. For haulage up to surface. We're still turning. Oh wow, there's a flooded section right here that's absolutely incredible. And that level keeps going. I think I know where it goes, you know.
Yeah.
It goes to the back of the workings. I've been there before. It's always nice to see water. Right, you're going to see the shaft. One of the... I'm not sure this was the haulage shaft. Can you light it up from where you are? Light it right up. Yeah. Hey-oh! But it's got the pipe that they use for compressed air. So it's pretty awesome. Look up again. That's got to go all the way to surface, and this got to be the haulage shaft, unless it was just the utilities shaft.
Kibble up and down.
Yeah. And here in the center we have a variety of different things. A tuna tin can, which I would imagine it dates from the mining period, even though I would say this is much later, is it? España! Sardines from Spain, the best in the world. We have a spade here. Really cool stuff. Remains of another spade. This seems to be like
Prop shaft.
a prop shaft for some sort of
prop shafts.
engine. I would imagine if there was a haulage system, they needed a motor,
Sauce.
you know, to run all the machines. Yeah, big saw there. But there's several spades, more piping, a bucket here, and this was part. This was a winch, was it, Gary? Winch.
Yeah, that's a winch.
That is a winch. So this would have had cable, and they would have pulled maybe the carts for or the cable for haulage up to surface, unless I would imagine the cable would have lifted from the surface.
From the surface.
With a you know, winch system from surface. So this is for the underground winching system. Oh look, remains of a wheelbarrow. A tin with whatever was in there, God knows. I'm not sure. Oh, this is a lamp. This is definitely the remains of an oil lamp, is it? Or some sort of lamp. A file. So there is all different utensils and implements here. Remains of a very rusted tin. Track nails. Wow. That is lovely. Quick set cement here. I think we got here, Gary. Do you think this was the remains, the frame for a minecart? I think it was.
No, I'm not sure.
No?
Something to do with this machinery.
We got some very heavy industrial piping that would have driven the compressed air or water, I'm not sure. One or the other, but it's very heavy. We have a wheelbarrow underwater. They normally wouldn't be underwater, really. I just can't believe how clear this is. There you are. You wouldn't think it's water when you first get it on camera, but it is water. Thanks, Gary. So we have the later 1900s you know, fluorspar mine, and overhanging from it we have the much older lead mine right there. How else those deads be put in a wall like that unless it did predate everything that's below it? Into one of the large areas of the mine that branches off from the central area. Nice back wall. This is quite incredible. The size of this back wall, actually. We got Gary next to it to give the perspective. Is a good 8-9 feet high, and it opens in the bigger caverns that we are going to be seeing in a minute. So this is actual photo looks. This could be you know, flash lamps for old-fashioned photography. Some of the first photographers that photographed the caverns here, like Paul Dickens himself, would have used some of this, I would imagine. If you have any suggestion what this photo looks box could have been for, please leave it in comments. It's always useful to leave your comments. You can see the chisel marks right there. Everywhere, all over the place. Lovely. Gary's gonna give us a walkthrough of this cavernous area. It opens up incredibly, doesn't it? As far as, look at that, as far as it goes, you can see all the miners, soot marks everywhere and pig marks. I'm looking about 30 foot from my head. As Gary's pointing out, right up there in the top right corner you can see the remains of a wheelbarrow, and to get to there actually we would have to climb over that ledge. I've never been up there, so that's something we should do. I think we're going to have to come back here and explore this in a bit more depth, are we?
Yeah, definitely. Maybe that's why someone's put the stairs gone across.
Yeah, they put stills basically to climb it. Someone has climbed it, but when I checked it last, I didn't feel safe to do so. It seems a bit too precarious, but it's something to be done. Lie down ahead of you. Yeah. That's incredible how it opens up. And just to think there's still obviously more space above us there that was worked in a much earlier period. Don't disturb the water, please. I gotta come down and try not to fall over this but what's coming ahead is absolutely marvelous. As far as I can see, there's a big lake of water there. Oh my god, this is the fullest of water as I ever seen this place. Absolutely mental. With full light on, full light ahead of you. Is that the fullest light you got?
Yeah.
You can see it's absolutely marvelous. Look at that. I've never seen this so full of water. It's incredible. It goes all the way up to so many workings that there's no doubt very few have been up there. We're going to have to find a way up there. Over that plank, but it really needs securing. So Gary's going to attempt this traverse. I don't think it's doable. I think it's all good to say, okay, I get up there, but will you trust that, if that goes? You know, don't do it if you don't feel safe.
To be honest, that's...
Can you see a way on from there?
No.
No.
If you go, like, where we were stood, it's the other side of that bridge above you.
And nothing else?
So
no levels going on?
Unless there's something that goes round the left where that wheelbarrow is.
There might be something going round the left, so it does need checking out still, does it? So we're gonna have to come back with some bolting gear. Okay? What's up there? Don't fall, for God's sake, whatever you do.
I wonder if you could go round. It's up there now.
Yeah, getting over here, the other side is fine.
That's okay, it's up there.
It's getting the final way up. Yeah. If you slip up there, you're gonna fall all your way down here, which is a certain depth of 20-30 feet of fall. It's not worth it. We got to do this safe. I think we come back here and we rig a traverse route. Would you be up for that?
Yeah, good.
Yeah? I mean, there's some workings up there. Look at that. Oh, there's a way down there, is there? Just go on your bum. You'll be alright there, just go on your bum. You made it. We are back in the central area now. So, which way did we come back?
That's the way out.
That's the way out, yeah. Okay, we're gonna work our way through here, I think. So, let's see where that goes. That will still be part of the old fluorspar workings from the 1900s, with obviously a lot of indication of all the peak marks from the 1800s. Yeah, a lot of sod marks everywhere from all the old miners' headlamps. Yeah, pick marks right in the corner up there, as we can see very clear. More sod marks and pick marks everywhere. Seems to be a passageway ahead of us. Hey Gary?
Yeah, that's the way.
So we're going to follow it. There's a way down here. Maybe it's just a pocket. It goes into flood. No, yeah, this is just a pocket. But I tell you what, I'm not sure that normally it's not that flooded. I'm sure it's passable. So we're going to be coming across a lot of flooded chambers, which will be very interesting. Again, a lot of the mineralization of calcite and the much older peak marks from the older miners that they were chasing the lead. Seems to be like the remains of, might be wrong, maybe some sort of barrel run really. The wheelbarrow run. Wow, this opens up quite a bit. I can't see where you are, Gary. I can hear you at the back. I think you've gone round, have you? Gary? Yeah. Can't see where you are, but you're definitely going round in a circle. Come out. Okay, now Gary, I thought you better not be wandering away on me now. I'll be just, you know, if you do that again, I'll just wait. I'm not going to be looking for you. So I'll just wait where I found you for last.
No water.
So which way do we go? Which way do you go and where does it go?
Goes.
Which way do you go?
I went right and it goes very narrow.
Yeah, so we're gonna be avoiding anything narrow. Like I say, we're gonna stick to the main way. Don't overcomplicate us for today, please. Right, more pit marks here, and this goes into.
No. Yeah.
Does it go?
No. It's quite big hole. Maybe from the other side.
Yeah. So sort of dead end, maybe.
Yeah, that's
small crawls
definite dead end.
along the biggest route. I know where this goes now. I've been here before. That narrow bit there goes into natural passage cave.
Right.
Yeah, we're gonna do it. Let's go in there.